So I've started some of the removal. I'm just using a little hammer, not a little hammer, but a hammer and a painting tool, scraper. So you can see here, this is what they laid. This is a sand mix. You can see this, there's no aggregate in it. And so this is what they laid it on. And so I'm slowly just going around. What I'm trying to avoid doing is loosening up any of the bricks, so I don't have to do any relaying of those. And so I'm taking my time on this. But this is what we're looking at. We'll be back in a little bit. All right, I got a majority of the old masonry crown off. See down here, I got a bucket of that shim material that they use for support. Got another bucket. I've already taken down 2 full buckets of broken up concrete. I've got to do some cleaning on the top, and to get some remaining pieces, I'll probably use my angle iron to go ahead and grind that off. Bring up a wire brush. It looks like I can cut rebar that'll be 26 inches across from the middle of this to the middle of that, and then cut a hardware cloth to go around it, and then start mixing up some concrete. So it's going to be close. Look, you can actually, I don't know if you can see here, see all the streaking on that's the flue liner, and you see all the streaking going down that was water getting in. So yeah, and this is the cavity. I don't know if the lighting is, you see more streaking going down there. I don't know if the lighting's good enough to actually see. Oh, see more streaking. This is looking at the cavity of the chimney, and this is a prefab unit inside a traditional masonry chimney. So there we have it. We'll be back in a second and we'll continue on.